Long before recorded history, long before kingdoms and cities rose across the islands, the Philippines was already home to some of the earliest human inhabitants in Southeast Asia. Tens of thousands of years ago, during the Ice Age, sea levels were much lower than they are today. Because of this, large parts of Southeast Asia were connected by land bridges, allowing early humans to travel across regions that are now separated by ocean. These ancient explorers slowly migrated through forests, valleys, and mountains, searching for new places where they could survive and build their lives. Carrying simple stone tools and the knowledge of fire, they moved into new and unfamiliar territories. Eventually, some of them reached the tropical islands that would later be known as the Philippines. The islands offered both beauty and challenge. Thick jungles covered the mountains. Rivers flowed through fertile valleys, and the surrounding seas were rich with fish and marine life. For early humans, these lands provided food, shelter, and the opportunity to survive in a new environment. Evidence of these early inhabitants was discovered thousands of years later by archaeologists. In the caves of Palawan, researchers uncovered ancient human remains, known as the Taban Man. These fossils date back around 47,000 years and represent some of the earliest evidence of human life in the Philippines. Life during this time depended greatly on nature. Early communities hunted animals in the forest, using simple spears and tools made from stone and bone. They gathered fruits, roots, and plants for food and medicine, and caves often served as protection from harsh weather and wild animals. Another important discovery was made in Calao Cave in northern Luzon. Here, scientists uncovered fossils belonging to a previously unknown ancient human species called Homo luzonensis. These remains suggest that humans lived in the region about 67,000 years ago, revealing that the human story in the Philippines is far older and more complex than once believed. Over time, other groups began settling across the islands. Among the earliest known inhabitants were the ancestors of the Negrito peoples, including the Aita, Ati, and Agta. Living close to nature, they developed deep knowledge of the forests and mountains, surviving through hunting, gathering, and strong community traditions. Thousands of years later, another major migration reached the islands. The Austronesians arrived by sea, traveling in advanced boats from Taiwan and nearby regions. They brought new technologies such as pottery, farming, and improved tools. The story of the Philippines began not with empires or colonization, but with these ancient pioneers, the first people who crossed seas, forests, and mountains to call these islands home.